Okay, thanks for stopping by. This is a short video showing how to resize images if you don't have access to Photoshop elements, etc. As long as you've got access to the internet, it's actually very simple. Let's just go onto the internet and I'll show you how to do it. So on the internet we need to visit this website. The website's called pixlr.com. So when that site opens up, we want to open Pixlr Editor, the advanced option. When that opens up, open image from computer, this option here, and I'm just going to pick the first image that I see, this one here, and open it up. So that's it open within Pixlr. It's quite a big girl, as you can see, so let's change the size. Click on image, image size, and let's pick, let's say 400. Make sure the box here is ticked and say OK. So that's the image reduced in size. Now this sort of checkerboard area here is the transparent area. If the space you have available for the image is quite tight, you could get rid of some of that transparent area. Just go up here and click on the crop tool. Once you've clicked there, just carefully click with the left hand mouse button and select the area we want to keep. Let go of the left hand button and press enter. So that's the image saved, nice and small. Now this is where you've got to be quite careful. We want to save this image, but we don't want to save it with the same name, or that would replace the original 1500 pixel image. So let's call it something different. 3D video dash 400. So change the name and say OK, and I've got to press save again, so I'll click on save again. That's the image saved. Now if we go and have a look at the folder now, I'll just bring up the folder. You'll see that that was the original one, and that's the one we've just created, size 400 pixel. So to keep all the original files intact at 1500 pixels, let's right click on this and let's try and get it to show up. Right click and cut, and then we can move it into a different folder for the project that we're working on. Just try and find a folder to put it into. You can put it anywhere you like. Desktop perhaps. I'm going to put it into this folder meantime. I've got a lot of files in here just now, but just right click and paste, and that's it there. 3D video 400. I stopped the video just for a second there to load up Photoshop, just to show you an alternative way to do it if you do have Photoshop. It's very similar. File, open, that's the original file there in the original folder, size 1500. So I'll just double click on it, open it, and there we have the big girl again. So to change the size, image size, and go down here and let's change that to, let's make it 500 this time. Again, make sure that box is ticked, constrained proportions, and then say OK. That's it, changed down to 500 pixels. Now again, the same checkerboard transparent area. If you want to remove some of that to get the image into a particular spot, just click the crop tool again and carefully with the mouse click the left hand button down, let go of the mouse button, hit enter, and we can save this image quite easily in Photoshop. File, save as. Now we don't want to save it in the original folder, so we'll go back to see if I can find the folder I used the first time. Video files, I think it was, and let's call it 3D video 500 this time. So save it. I'll just click OK to that option, and if we have another look at the folder, you can see there that's the one we did in Pixlr, and that's the one we've just done in Photoshop. So I'll pause the video just for a second again, and I'll open up PowerPoint to show you how the image appears within PowerPoint. The transparent effect is excellent. The image can be laid on top of any colour of background. So I'll pause the video just for a second again. So like I said, the PNG files here are transparent with the background. They integrate seamlessly with PowerPoint, websites, posters, etc. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration here. I've got PowerPoint loaded up now. Go into PowerPoint. This is the slide that I'm working on, one of the slides for this video. And if I go up to the top here, insert picture from file, choose the image that I'm going to use. It's one of the male characters this time. Click on this one, click on insert, and that's that image inserted. So I'll just click on this and I can drag it to where I want it to appear. Just move this a little bit to let you see. You notice the transparent background is great for this, works wonders. I'll just position them there. I think that should do it. So that's that slide ready. I'll just pause the video again for a second here. So I created this video especially for the website that I made, KeynoteImages.com. If you happen to come across this video on YouTube and you're interested in the images that I used, there's over 200 top quality PNG files available, both male and female characters in various poses and guises, and they're available from KeynoteImages.com. So hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll sign off now. Bye.